George, sasa? Hi, good to see you. Hi, how are you?
No, sasa pale nikisalimiana kwa muda Mungu tunafika vizuri. Usakuzuia habari zenu, maombi ifanywe twende. Sasa nzuri sana. Wewe angalia vipi?
We thank you for the gift of life, for the gift of good health, and the gift of leadership in this country. We thank you because of the safe arrival of our leader, Honorable Matiang'S, for the journey masses that we've given him. We put before him the many activities that are ahead of him, so that he may have a good time, and he may be accepted by the many people he's going to meet in Nairobi and in other parts of Kenya. I pray these shortly, believing and trusting in Jesus' name. Amen. In the name of the Father.
How are you? Habari ya jioni? I'm very happy to see all of you and I'm very happy to be home. Asante sana, tuombe Mungu atusaidie tukipata kupumzika kidogo, alafu tutapata nafasi ya kuongea sisi wote pamoja. Si namna hiyo? Asante sana na Mungu awabariki. Come to the airport at midnight.
Even at 3 a.m.
I'm very surprised.
And some of the making
Yeah.